Today we have the Aglaonema, or better known as the Chinese evergreen. You're looking at the Lady Valentine with the pretty pink leaves. It's a genus of flowering plants in the arum family, Varieties. They are native to tropical and subtropical regions of Asia and New Guinea. They are easy to care for, can be low light plants that only need 60 to 70% humidity with well draining soil. Can be propagated by cutting between the nodes and placing in water until rooting, and then repotting. They make really great houseplants. They're beautiful, easy to display. Could also be put in an office. If you have lighter leaves, you'll need more light to keep them vibrant. Otherwise, they can be further away from the window if they're one of the shades of more green leaves. They grow only 1 to 3 feet tall and up to 1 to 3 feet wide, so it won't take over an area. They're pest resistant. If you keep the leaves clean and you don't overwater, you won't have a gnat problem. I use systemic. That also helps, as it's harder to detect on these leaves unless you see damage. They are great because they clean the air of all kinds of toxins. That's a plus. If you ever get to touch the leaves, they almost kind of feel like paper, even though they're not dried out. But they can also flower, kind of like a peace lily flower. They come in many different colors, from green stripes to pink speckles or red undersides. There aren't too many downsides to this plant. As you can see on the stem here, there's some lines, kind of just from normal growth. But they can be toxic to pets, so I wouldn't put them on the floor or anywhere your pet's going to want to try to eat it, or near any children to play with, for that matter. Kind of looks like candy. They are slow growers, so it's good and bad that if you like exactly how it looks, it'll pretty much guarantee it's going to stay that way. Maybe just adding a few more leaves over time. But if you really like something that grows really big or vines out, this isn't the plant. Here's one of the more common varieties that I have, the Maria. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.